Hi, this is Ravina Kapoor from Harrier Enterprises. So we manufacture different quality, good quality products like in different categories. That is our puff item, that is our roasted, extruded puffs. Then we do in chips, we do different roasted mixtures as well. We do fried mixtures as well. We do lachas, we do bananas. Our makhanas are very well known. Our puffs are very well known. Our jawar chivra is the most famous. So this is a roasted mixture, that is a millet murmura, which is fully roasted. What we claim we give, that is the our USP. That if we are saying that it is a roasted means will be roasted, and we try not to use different outside seasoning. Our home seasoning, which is घरेलू seasoning जैसा होता है, that type of a seasoning I'm trying to convert that thing because I want to give good quality to the people. So this is soya cup masala, which is roasted as well. This is makhanas. The size of makhana, everything is good. Whatever we say, it will be given to you all. Then different kinds of chips we do: beetroot chips, Karela chips, sweet potato chips, like everything. Doodhi chips I have introduced, which is a healthier version, which is fried for sure, but the oil is nice. Rice brand oil we do, peanut oil we do. If you all demand for that, we will do it in that and give it to you as well. Then different bees, imported bees you all will get, edamames you will get, edamames, flavored edamames you will get, edamames chaat masala flavor. Then we do different high protein snacks, which is green pea, salted green pea, pudina. All of these are in high protein snacks what we do. This is a roasted dal mix, which is fully roasted and which is very healthier as well, and it is high in protein, which is made in masoor ki dal and green pea dal and everything, which is fully roasted. Now we have introduced a bhujia safe, which is fully roasted, which is made extruded and then roasted as well. This is no fried at all. This is our new product launch. This is a roasted red lentil puff, which is also high in protein and fully roasted. You will get different flavors in this, and these are imported item as well. You will get an imported item as well in this. This is a non-fried veggies. Our new launch chivras, that is Nachni Makhana chivra, which is as well healthier for everyone. We have launched a Karela chips. This is Karela chips, which is as well healthier, bitter, fully Karela, no color added. We don't add any color to the product. It's the natural, the color what it looks like. That is quinoa lacha, nachni lacha, beetroot lacha, broccoli lacha, as well as makhana lacha. We have got new chips, that is a makhana chips as well. This is our makhana chips, peri peri flavor, which is mixed with nachni ka atta and purely used makhana. This is our mixed chips. Mixed chips involved our beetroot, palak and carrot. No added color. If you see, it's a natural color which is there. Not even orange, because it is yellowish, because there is no color added to the product. And no outside seasoning, only our seasoning which we have used, which is more, it becomes at healthier side. No microtoxin, no nothing we have used. This is our bottle gourd chips, which we have newly launched over here. That is doodhi, what we say as. So this is also a healthier version chips we have added, but it is fried for sure, because fried tastes nice. This is a roasted item, wavy puff, what we have introduced over here. It's made of corn. So it has different flavors we have used. We have used seasonings in this because only the seasoning can get you taste. Then we have corns. This is an also imported item which we can give it to you. So this is also Kabuli chana which we have introduced. We have introduced in two flavors Kabuli chana. That is, one is butter garlic and one is masala, which is fried as well. Our first product, which is we are known for this in our market, for Jawar Chivra. Every shop, A1 shops, every shops has our Jawar Chivra. We do mini bhakarwadi, Nasik bhakarwadi, Pune bhakarwadi. We are known for all of this, and it's a good quality. We use, even bukka is also made, not taken on. It's a like high quality bhakarwadis also we do, good quality. What we say we do. So we give different varieties, different flavors, different in a good quality. You will get it in different packaging. We provide good packaging. We provide bottle packaging. We can give you in loose as well, and we can do the stickering, everything. We do white labeling basically for the companies. Thank you.